You start off the day right with these two little lads. You're so sweet. Oh, it's not a bad. Yui is the same as it's always been, man. Same life. Gotta walk because the car park is like so far. Because I don't have a pass because I'm not a student anymore. Breakfast time! It's raining, it's cold. So we're going, yeah, she's driving. I don't know why, she's not gonna drive, but yeah. We're going to her class this morning for baby. Mom's in the background. Oh my god. So yeah, that's my morning with Sissy. Wait. Came to Twin City for a pit stop because Sis needs to pee and I need to pee as well. And she has to buy some clothes for the baby. It's exciting, huh? We came in rain, we're leaving in rain. For baby, he's coming. I'm thinking about doing a special for pregnant women. I still have to post the post for water. I'm still behind on the diabetes educator course because I got quite a lot to do. Donations drive and finally got home and got a chance to, yay, it's up. Instead of just posting everything at once. My scheduled post, well, it's draft right now, so ding ding ding, bye. Today was actually really long, because after my sister's session, we went to Trinity for a while so she could find some baby clothes for the baby, and then we drove home. So I just got home a few minutes ago. It's now like 3:35. I'm gonna have my chocolate. I'm gonna have my chocolate batters, and then I'm gonna start to work on my diabetes educator thing because there's a lot of reading and to do. And I made the post for one already. I did the vlog and I did that, and I have to prep for tomorrow and confirm with everybody because I'm supposed to have a revisit in the morning south, and then I'm supposed to pick up the donations for the donation drive, so that's gonna be this week. So I got to do that from the different locations, also get the donation from someone from the elite food distributors guy who's always been donating, so I have to meet up with him as well and confirm, and maybe go to the movie with my sister and then come home. I have an extra visit, Chase Medical, and then an exercise session in the evening. The guy for this evening postponed it to tomorrow because of the weather and because he was tired, so it's understandable. The weather is like really crazy today. Hopefully tomorrow will be a lot drier. That was long that was long to say. Gotta start the day. Soon. Quick 5 minutes nap again. It's still like a noise minutes to 8. What am I doing in bed, huh? I don't know. Bobby! Boy, my sweet little boy. Nose, baby. Right now my plans for South changed, so I'm trying to get Mom to collect the donations for me. I'm gonna continue studying until about lunchtime. So the donation that I'm trying to get from South is from the food distributors people. They normally donate a lot of good stuff. If you take preventative precautions and you see me and I can help you with your diet and lifestyle changes, then we could better meet your goals and prevent you from getting sick to that extent where you need to be hospitalized. So think about it, and if you have any chronic diseases, you know who to contact. So this is currently where I'm at with this module. It's in a paragraph form. So these are the answers. More and more difficult, more and more difficult. So I have ready, getting ready. Gotta put on some lip balm. Okay, guys, I'm not a makeup. Isn't this outfit cute? Yes. I gotta go. First things first. I'm on the phone. Not leaving. Got my stuff right there. Recycle. So, common is just actually getting it up there. I mean, look at the height difference. It's not too bad actually. Recycle, guys. Another errand before I go to meet the body composition assessment and free dietary advice. So yeah. And then I have my revisit after that. $50 special. It was awesome. Guys, the revisit that I was supposed to see now is running a little bit late, so I told him Friday because I will be in South on Friday. Oh my gosh. So that works out a lot better because now it's like 3:30 and I have 2 exercise sessions this evening. One at 6:30 and I think one at 5:15, so I have to confirm those 2. But yeah, gotta make sure I eat something. Gotta get my chocolate. I did go to A Drugs Pharmacy after the $50 special and I got the single dollars that were left there. Thank you so much. And I will go to the R one on Friday when I'm heading down to South. And then I have a collection already from this morning from South. Mom got that for me. Thank you, Mom. And I'm going to collect another donation from somebody else on Saturday. So yep, all set. Bobby, look at us, jealous. Snuggles. Relaxing time, guys. Until 5:50. Finished, typed up the little $50 session. I always type up stuff. I'm sending the information about the program and healthy plate method. Comment, man. Me. Also offer those services, so I'm doing like a grocery haul later when they're at the grocery. I'm on my way to Monroe to do my exercise. Oh, exercise session. Should be fun, man. Yep. Should be a lot of fun. One person canceled, so just 1 hour session I have. Woo! And then it's home time and off to bed. And then got a plan for tomorrow. And I think the quality is pretty good, man. Because it's really expensive to get it done, and from Amazon everybody wants to have the booklet printed. So this is what the printed version looks like. I think it's pretty good. Tuesday morning, but I have like I have to continue the course, so every week on the diabetes educator course a new cycle opens. Later this evening I might have yes, and I need to pass my water 1. Last night exercise was start the morning with my 2 because they ate already, so it's time breakfast time for me. Nearly to my destination. Driving. Donations for my donation drive. Thank you, everyone. So along with any session that I have, just going to type up everything and email it. Yama. 2 little cute pies, my lovey. So sweet. Okay, so I'm now at Jake's Monaco. Gotta go upstairs and set up for my revisit. I just wanted to talk a little bit, which is really sad. Like to see. What really upsets me is when persons degrade each other. So like men degrading women, women degrading men. There's like no respect, and I don't understand why persons stay in an abusive relationship. I really don't get it. And in the past, I was part of a lot of that with like different relationships. So I just think that it just makes no sense when someone really loses respect for you and treats you really poorly. Staying in that relationship is basically telling them that it's okay to do that. So I don't know, it's just something that really gets to me. I just wish everyone the best, honestly. Abusive relationships just drive me insane. It's wrong, okay? That's not what love is at all. That's the opposite of what love is. So I hope that you pray about it and God gives you strength to do the right thing, man. And when somebody starts to take you for granted, just know that you deserve better, because that person is choosing to treat you that way. Yeah, waiting for my patient to get everything set up, man. Food models and my skin. Finished. Now packed up. It's after 6. Yeah. Alrighty, so now I gotta type this up for the revisit.
Sophia?
Yeah?
Did you take my phone?
No.
Morning, guys. Anyway, so and the morning is pretty free. It's just, and then I'm driving down to South today. My sister. He's boogie. Hey, you boogie boo. Hey, best doggies ever. Yummy. Lunchtime, and then I have to head to church to get something, and then patient at 1. First time to be on the road when it's lunchtime. Just up, got my stuff, because I'm gonna be a godmother. Oh. I'm now gonna leave the churchyard. I'm at the orange building. Stairs, got my stuff. Okay, I'm finished, packed up. Now it's time to head down to Double R and get the donations for the donation drive. Let's go. Let's read. Good thing but I don't have time to wait, so. Dun. On my way to San Fernando now. I got a $50 special salt pack, and then I'm supposed to have a revisit, but he has to confirm with me. Hello, I'm my sister now. Having some chocolate. And then I'm gonna type up the stuff from today's city revisit and the $50 special. The other guy I was supposed to see today is not answering his phone, so I'm not really sure what's going on with him. But yeah. Guys, it's now Saturday. Oh my, I gotta go get some donations. individual who likes to donate, which is awesome because I have foundation. Oh my god, wish me luck on vegan vegetarian. Check out the world. So hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Said she's there, so I just don't want her to wait for me. And I have like a little sandwich for lunch, kind of. So yep, on my way. Okay, so I got the donations. They're in the trunk. And let me get my bearings right because I need to go to Arima now. Hold on, confirm. So I'm on my way to Arima for 10. Packed up and I'm on my way now to my presentation in UE, and it's raining. Oh my gosh. So I'm probably just gonna do like a 20-minute presentation. I'm sorry, a little late because of the traffic.
And my heart is eternally and devotedly yours. If you'll have me.
It's so sweet. Morning, guys. I just came home after the presentation, typed up the advice, and I went straight to bed. I was kind of tired. Sleepy church time. I have to go to church. Bye. And to bathe my squishy bum bum. Bathe the dogs and wash the car. Easy. By washing the car and bathing. Hey! Blood bail, they're gonna have to be done separate. They used to like the hose. I don't know what happened. They just like to watch now. Clean, 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 clean. Cleany, cleany. Who wants your towel? Finished with my cuties. Time for me to bathe. Yay! Counseling sessions, revisits. I'm just gonna finish type this up and email it. Baby doing home errands.
That ultimately trigger nerve impulses that are then sent. Disorders of the retina typically affect.
Ooh, yummy. I'm going to exercise. Fill up some gas. Woo! It's Monday morning. So today is voting day. I hope you guys are gonna do my donation drive today. Had to yesterday. I was kind of tired after. I'm just little errands today. Good God, Mama. Morning, Chum Chum. We do good wake up to these fishes. They're right with these squishy fishes. Yes, lovable. Time to make some kuchla. If you're interested, let me know. Mango kuchla. Recycling time. Go guys, recycle. And then get this signed in church. Shopping time. And I gotta get oats. And get through. I'm gonna do my donation drive this evening. Yummy, yummy. Bloody, yummy, yummy. Love curry. Yummy. Lunch. Yummy, yummy. Now you want to be? Say hello, Mom. Hello. We just voted. Ooh. The big deal. But I just wish that there was a party that was not corrupted. So says a lot about Trinidad and the type of people. Donation drive, and I also have a home man. I was running a bit late. It doesn't have any, and I was just waiting for it like early. My donation drive video now. Gonna pull over to the side. You have anybody who's at home? Lift it up and take your time. Yeah. So I'm wet, but I'm on the road, and it's time to head to the Claxton Bay, man. I hope the weather eases up a little and it gets better. Bye. Driving home. Now finished. It's now like 7. I'm home. It's now 8. I did my donation drive. I hope you guys voted. Woo! this needs to wash